What's going on, everybody? This is King Nappy. I had a quick question from one in a comment section about audio and how to sort of adjust it, how to add certain filters. I did a review video on the microphone that I'm currently using, which is the $30 Amazon purchase that I made from Yanmai. That's the brand name. I believe the brand name changes. I believe it's the same general layout so far as the microphone and the build, but just the name may vary from purchase to purchase. Here I'm going to be showing how I add some of the filters to my audio from OBS. So right here you're going to go to your audio input. In order to add audio input, you would just go to this plus sign, go to audio input, and you would select whichever input, whether it be microphone, headphones, whatever your input is. We're going to go back to audio input capture here, and you're going to right click, head up to filters, and as you can see, I have about 4 filters here. One of them I have that's inactive because I don't really need it or utilize it a lot. But the ones that I mainly use are noise gate, noise suppression, and gain. We're going to cut these off so you can hear the difference. Now this is my audio without any filters added. It's pretty low. You may even hear some hissing or anything, something like that in the background. So instead of me getting real close to my microphone and having to protrude my voice and yell, I'll just add a gain filter. So this is my gain filter, and this is what I have it set at. I could adjust it maybe a little lower, but right now I have it set at 20 dB. I have it set at 20 decibels. But at the same time, you can hear a lot of hissing. You hear my computer probably running in the background. You're getting a lot of air in the background. So what I usually do to handle that is a noise gate. Now the noise gate cancels out a lot of the idle sounds in the background. But as you can hear, whenever I speak, you can hear those sounds again along with my voice. My close and hold right now I have at negative 96 decibels, and my open is at negative 29 decibels. These I typically leave the same. I'm not too sure how to adjust these or what these are for. So I typically just leave these. I would suggest checking up some more tutorials or how-to videos on audio settings for OBS. But right now, these are the simple settings that I use. So to cancel out that hissing sound whenever I speak, I add a noise suppression filter. The suppression level kicks in at negative 30 dB. We're going to go ahead and add that now. So as you can see, you can hear my audio, but you don't have any hissing sound. You have no idle sounds in the background. All you're getting is my voice. There probably could be a few other filters and things like that and adjustments that I can make to make the audio much more clean and crisp. But for $30, this will suffice. I'm very pleased with this. Here's the sound again without this sound suppression filter. And here's the sound again with it. As you can see, very clean, simple way to clean up your audio. I'll go back through these settings again so you can see the numbers and try to plug them in yourself. It could help, but it all just depends on your environment, your setup, your equipment, and having a sound adjusted to your liking. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was informative for you, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.